Where you are not around, you can never judge. Some of us were not in Kawempe. We are only hearing hearsay. But I'm saying that a security person or personnel can never react where there is nothing wrong. These boys are trained. They know how to go about with the public. So we say, if there is anywhere that a security personnel messed, there must have been something that caused him to mess. Therefore, we advise the public that security people are human beings like ourselves. Don't disappoint him and you expect him not to also to disappoint you. Therefore, that's what I can say anyway about what happened in Kawempe with the security people. Lastly, I can say about the journalists. I've been advising that we must have a system. There must be a system that guides the journalists and the security people. Because a security person must know where he ends up, and the journalist must know where the boundary between him and the journalist is. Once you cross the boundary to the side of the security person will misbehave towards you. Therefore, we must know the boundaries between journalists and security. It is said that Nope won. If it did so anyway, it's good. That's the democracy that was brought by NRA. But unfortunately, me, I'm doubtful. I only blame my side of NRM, that the mobilizers of NRM, those who kept the Karuru of NRM, were very loose. Because a whole minister coming in the shortest time, he gets a person cheating 18 votes. While a minister walks when everybody is seeing him that he's coming, and he escapes. But what about these ones who are on the ground? What did they find out? Therefore, the Karuru of North Kawempe was not free and fair.